In line with our continuous efforts to improve our production, we set a goal to decrease our operating costs and improve our overall line utilization. With SIG, we identified multiple projects that will contribute to reaching our goal.
We saw this challenge as an opportunity to help transform and improve Juhayna's integrated operations and filling plants. Driven by digital, we fully utilized all the available tools, and more specifically our SIG Excellence System, SES+, across the operation at the factory. We were then able to continuously improve production and supply chain.
In only 5 months, we identified and deployed transformation cost savings projects, looking at OEE improvements, overusage reduction savings, and others.
Our partnership with Juhayna allowed us to widen our scope to cover the full production line while tackling the following: overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, including availability, performance, and quality, line monitoring levels at Juhayna factory, using data from our connected filling lines and multiple indicators, steer SIG's filler to sustainable results, and capacity utilization, comparing actual time used with the current plant staffing in order to improve the full utilization of operational staff capacity.
Both Juhayna's and SIG technical teams worked together effectively to optimize our plant equipment. Through SIG's Excellence System, we deployed several projects and ensured more efficient utilization of the existing equipment capacity. The system made it possible for Juhayna's filling lines to increase productivity and reduce loss rates. It also introduced a culture of excellence amongst our people.
By putting in place SIG's Excellence System improvements, we were able to reach an ambitious goal within a period of just 5 months. In this case, the overall line utilization and productivity both significantly increased by more than 8% compared to December 2020. And we succeeded to eliminate 1 shift. This increase allowed for more flexibility in reducing operating hours to meet the demand.
At Juhayna, we define sustainability as the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It represents the means by which our company can adopt better manufacturing methods while reducing costs. Under our strategy pillars, manufacturing at Juhayna has undergone several changes that promise to provide improved value for our people and stakeholders, reduce the effects of our operations on the environment and our planet, and develop with purpose to advance the F&B industry as a whole.
SIG and Juhayna joint effort had an outstanding impact in such a short time, and we are very satisfied with the results. The teams set an ambitious goal, and through their commitment, they were successful in meeting it. This is a true demonstration of a real partnership with a world-class supplier.